Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find all your applications on the Amazon Fire Stick. And there's two different ways that we could do this. Now, just on the home screen, any of your most recent apps will display right here on the top. Otherwise, we can go down to Home and we can scroll down. And we can see most recently used applications right here. And we can simply select the application. To find all the applications, go to your remote and hold down the home button, the button with the home on it. And hold it down for like 2 or 3 seconds and this screen will appear. Then you can go over to apps, the second option, select it, and it will bring you to all your applications. And you can find any application on here. You can even go to the App Store, you can browse the internet, etc. Now another way that you can do this is go back to the home screen here, and then go on over to Settings, and then go to Applications. Select this and go to Manage Installed Applications. Then under here you can find the application you want to launch. So let's find the application. So here's YouTube. I'm going to select YouTube. Then I'm going to go to Launch Application. So you can start the application under here and you can find it. And then it's going to appear under the most recently used applications on home screen. So you should be able to find it in the future. But if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.